most truthful star channel, Holy News. Today, our wonderful channel found some pretty shiny, spicy, and interesting news. Hold up, wait a minute. Where's the maker? Okay, I found it. So today, let's talk about the most famous program of 2024, the AI, or more like ChatGPT. There were many rumors that the most famous program could replace a significant number of jobs, where it may take over 40% of the jobs. While this figure might seem low to someone, it represents approximately 300 millions of jobs that could be replaced with AI. Oh my god. Now, two of our best Holy News fighters will debate about this rumor. Starting with Brian as in favor and after Gerard as against. It's your turn.
Thank you so much. Hello, I'm Brian, and now I'm going to talk about this rumor. I think AI is advancing very quickly, and even though it's making huge strides, I believe programming goes beyond just writing simple, functional code. It's about the art of understanding and solving problems in the best possible way, with the creativity only humans possess. The understanding of the physical human person is different from that of an AI.
Splendid debate, Ryan. Magnificent words. Now, where is our goes against? What's it?
Sorry of delay. I don't find the place for my bag.
Oh, don't worry. You are at the right moment because it's your turn.
Oh, okay. Hello, I am Gerard, and now I am woman prover to your dad the AI want to take jobs away. I believe that even if AI doesn't directly take away jobs, it is an artificial intelligence that humans trains develop over time. As it continues to learn and improve, it will reach a point where it has enhanced knowledge and capabilities to perform complex tasks such as programming. This could lead to significant change in how work is done, but it also raises questions about the roles of humans in guiding and overseeing this advanced system.
Whoa, yeah. What a start. You have thrown some serious sparks in this debate. But wait. Brian, are you going to sit there and run, or are you ready to fight? But the public wants to hear me, Brian.
Of course, Gerard, you make a good point about AI being trained by humans, but let's not forget one thing. AI doesn't understand like we do. Sure, it can write code, but can it feel the frustration of a book that just won't fit itself? Can it celebrate the joy of solving a problem that's been haunted a project for weeks? Programming isn't just about logic, it's about a passion, creativity, and human intuition. AI might be a tool, but it's not the artist.
Wow. Oh, Brian is heating up. Oh, Gerard, what do you want to say about that? Is AI just a tool, or is it the future of God of programming?
Good, really? Let's it's not yet. Hurry away. Brian, I am agreed that AI doesn't feel like humans do, but here is thing. It doesn't need to. The AI can analyze millions of lines of code in seconds, spot patterns, and suggests solutions that mistakes at humans day or even weeks for figures out, and as a for creativity. Well, have you seen some of things the AI can generate? From music to art events, write poetry. AI is already showing it can mimic creative. Wow is to say it want to ever totally master the art of coding too.
Ooh, mimic of creativity. Oh, Gerard, you're stepping into a dangerous territory now. Brian, don't let him get away with that. What's your response?
Mimicry is the key word here. Gerard, AI can imitate creativity, but it doesn't create from a place of genuine inspiration or emotion. It's like a parrot that can repeat Shakespeare, but doesn't understand the meaning behind the words. And let's not forget the ethical side of things. Who's responsible when AI makes a mistake in critical systems? A human programmer can be held accountable, but an AI? That's a gray area we're still figuring out.
Oh, wow. Brian, bring it up S6. Oh my god, that's a spicy twist. Gerard, how do you respond to that spicy argument? Can AI take a blame in this case, or is it just a lie?
Fair point, Brian, but let us not act like humans are perfect either. We make mistakes all the times, big ones sometimes. The difference is AI can learn from its mistakes faster and on a much learned scales. And as for accountability, that where humans come in, where once wow the thing, trains and others AI system. So, in a way, where it's still in control. AI isn't replaced as it is upgrading our capacities.
Upgrading, well, that's a nice way to put it. But Brian, are you buying that or just gonna let the bird away? You know, is the AI just a fancy tool or just is it a treat to the human's thought of programming?
I admit, AI is a powerful tool, but let's not sugarcoat it. If companies see a chance to cut costs by replacing human programmers with AI, they do it. And that's where the real danger lies, not in the technology itself, but in how it's used. We need to be careful not to let efficiency overshadow the value of human ingenuity.
Boop, mic drop. Brian with the hard truth. Gerard, last words. What's your final take of this?
My final takes AI is here to stay and it is going to change the game. But instead to fearing it, we should embrace it is a partner, not a replacement. The future isn't about humans versus AI. It is about humans and AI working together to achieve things we never thought possible.
Debate is now over. One spicy debate, folks. Brian and Gerard, you be gibles. Wait a moment. Hello, yes, it's our spectator. Hello, yes, goodbye. Yes. Wait a moment, please, thank you. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Okay. Debate is now over. What a spicy debate, folks. Brian and Gerard, you gave us a lot to think about. Even to the public, will AI take over the world of programming, or will humans always have the upper hand? Only time will tell. But for now, this is holy news. Signing off with the hottest, shiniest, and spiciest news of today. Stay tuned and remember, keep questioning, keep debating, and keep shining like the stars you are. Oh, and remember, kids, submit the next topic for the next debate at www.holynews.com.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Bye bye.